10. Okay, well, how would we start this problem off? We start off, what's the very first thing we do? Who remembers? We draw two sets of parentheses. Okay, so we're going to draw two sets of parentheses. And then what do we do? Put an M and an M in the front of both of these. Then we make a list of what number? 30. What is the first one always?
1.
1 in that number. So 1 and 30. Okay, and then what would you need to check next?
That would be 2.
2. Okay, if you're doing it on a calculator, you would say 30 divided by 2. If you get a whole number, it works. If you get a fraction, it does not work. Okay, so 2 and 15, does 3 go in?
That would be 310.
310. 4. No, 5.
5 would be 5, 6.
5, 6. So this one is done. How do you know when you've made the whole list?
When you get a double of the number.
When you get a double of the number or like 2 that's like in order. So like 4, 4 or 4, 5 or 3, 4 would be the only options, okay? So of this group, I need something to give me a 13. And where did I say you should probably pick from?
Start from the bottom.
Somewhere on the bottom, okay? However, does 5 and 6 work?
No,
It does not.
3 and 10.
3 and 10 do work. Okay, does it matter if I put the 3 first or the 10 first? No,
No.
but the signs do matter. Okay, and then just for a refresher, so everyone has it on their sheet, what are our sign options? Let me grab a marker.
Negative
Minus.
and positive.
Hold on, let me grab a marker,
Minus.
people.
Plus.
Marker.
Plus.
Negative,
Minus.
negative.
Okay,
Did it.
okay, what are the options?
Negative, negative.
Negative, negative for sure.
Negative plus.
Can you guys see that one?
Yeah.
I can't see.
Okay,
Not too
that's
bad.
good. Hey,
Stop. That's easy. You're so on your board.
Move closer.
this one doesn't even work.
Then let's move you right there.
Right, like use your brain.
I'm the one that signs these, you guys don't be mean.
Then move
Work
up
smarter.
there.
No, it's hard.
My camera's on, you guys are being mean, don't be mean. Okay, what'd you say, Joy? Minus, minus?
Negative, negative, negative,
Hey,
plus,
negative plus,
plus, plus,
plus, plus,
plus, negative.
plus negative. Okay, so if we're looking at this, what is the thing? We need a negative 13.
That'll be negative, negative.
Negative, negative. Okay, most of you guys get everything except for the signs right. Okay, so type it on your calculator. Make sure that it says minus 13 before you continue. Okay, when you guys are doing these for a quiz, I say, did they make parentheses? 1 point. Did they put the M's? 1 point. Did they make a list of the numbers? 1 point. And then I say, did they pick the right numbers? That's 2 points. And then the signs is 2 points. Okay, so it makes it really kind of crappy if you don't get the signs wrong, especially once we move on and you're gonna have to actually solve these. Okay, so 13 is gonna say parentheses or 13. Number 3. I'm looking at 13 in the middle. Okay, we got 42. So I got 1 and 42. Does 2 go in?
Silence.
2, yes.
2 and what?
21.
2 and 21.
Nothing that factor. 7 will go to.
What else goes in? Come on, you guys get to type in.
That'll be.
3 goes in?
15.
What, 3?
Yeah, 3, 15.
That wouldn't make any sense.
Oh, shoot, hold on. I did it wrong.
It's 14.
3 and 14?
Yeah, 3, 14, yeah.
Okay.
That wouldn't make any sense.
I did 30. I don't know.
Does 4 go in? Micah, type. If you got the whole list done, then share it. 4 goes in?
Other one.
No? 5. Does 5 go in? No?
No.
6.
6. Yes, 7.
6 and 7. Okay, these can go really fast or really slow, depending on if you guys are typing or not. Okay? So, you guys gotta type. I mean, there's no way of getting around it. Okay, so what group of numbers is gonna work?
6 and 7.
6
That'll
and
be
7.
Negative, negative.
And negative, negative. And Angel, I don't want to tell you be quiet, but
Be quiet.
Be quiet.
Quiet, okay.
Well, because then you're just saying the answer, which is right, but then nobody else uses their brain to think, because you're thinking faster than they can even
True.
write it down.
Just more for us, right?
Okay, number 5, we're gonna draw the parentheses. Angel, you just work on yours. Okay, we're gonna make a list of what number?
3.
3.
It's just 1 3.
It is just 1, 3, okay? There's no other options, okay? So we're gonna say 1, 3.
3 to 1.
Okay, how can I get a positive 2? Negative 1 plus 3? Somebody agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Negative 1 plus 3. Okay, and you can literally type that minus 1 plus 3 on your calculator and hit equals, and it should say a positive 2. Okay, number 7. It's going to be drawing parentheses. We got x and x. Need to make a list of 32. So 1 and 32.
2 and 16.
2, 16. 3.
No.
No. 4.
8.
4, 8. Good. 5. No. I thought you said 9. 6. No. 7. No. And 8 is already on our list, so we're done. Okay, I need something to give me a 12.
4, 8.
4, 8. And I need a positive 12. Yeah. Okay, here's what I want to help some of you guys. Some of you guys, if you don't get it immediately, you're not going to. Okay? Look at the two numbers that we chose. What did we choose?
4
We chose 4 and 8. Is the middle number, if the middle number is bigger than the largest of the two numbers that you chose, then the signs are going to have to be the same. Okay, think about that again. If the middle number is bigger than one of the two numbers that you chose, the signs have to be the same. So either they have to be positives or they have to be negatives. If the middle number is smaller than the two numbers you chose, okay, the signs will be different. Now let's look at this. The middle number is a 2. Okay? Look up here. The middle number is a 2. What was the biggest number we chose? 1 or 3? Which one's bigger? 1 or 3? 3. Is the middle number bigger or smaller than 3? Smaller, which means you're going to have one positive, one negative. Look at this one. The middle number is what? It's a 13. What is the biggest number that I chose? 6 or 7? 7. So, is 13 bigger than 7?
Yeah.
Yes, so that means that both my signs should be the same. Okay? It's like a cheat way to figure it out. Okay? Which number is the biggest out of the two that I chose? 10 or 3? 10. Is 10 bigger or smaller than 13?
Smaller.
Yeah, so if this is bigger than the biggest number that we chose, the signs have to be the same. If it's smaller, then they gotta be the same. Okay? Different. Okay? If the middle number is bigger than the biggest of the two that we chose, okay, then they gotta be the same. Okay, so let's look at number 9, and we'll try to use it with this one. Okay, we're gonna say x and x, and 36. You get them 1 and 36. What else?
2 18.
2, 18.
3 12.
3, 12.
4 9.
4, 9.
Then it's 6 6.
6, 6. Okay, I need something to give me a 13. What group am I going to use?
4 and 9.
4, 9. Okay, so look at this. We're going to cheat before we even figure out the signs. What number is bigger, 4 or 9?
9.
9. Okay, is my middle number bigger than the 9 or smaller? Bigger. So this number is bigger than my biggest one, which was 9. Which means that my signs are going to have to be the same. So either they can be a plus plus or a minus minus. Which should they be? I need a
Plus,
positive
plus.
13. Plus plus. Okay, 11. We're going to draw our parentheses. We got R and R and making a list of 8. So 1, 8,
2 4.
2, 4. Okay, what am I going to use? I'm trying to get a 2.
2.
So 2, 4. Okay, what number is the biggest? 2 or 4?
4.
4 is bigger. Okay, is this bigger or smaller than 4?
Or smaller.
is smaller. So I know that I'm gonna have one of these needs to be a plus and one needs to be a minus. So which one is gonna have to be?
-2 plus 4.
-2 plus 4. Okay. Okay, and just so we all like kind of recall, remember to flip your page. So if there's a 42 somewhere on the other side, just copy the list down. Okay. There's no point in like redoing it when you already have the list done somewhere. Okay. Look at number 13. We're gonna say V and V, and make a list of 10. So you got 1, 10,
2, 5.
2, 5. I need something to give me a 7.
2, 5.
2, 5.
Plus, plus. Wait.
Minus.
Minus.
Oh, it's negative. Oh.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, 15. I got parentheses, VV, and 10, I got 1, 10, 2, 5. Okay, I need something to give me an 11.
110.
110. Okay, and I need a negative 11. Negative, negative. Okay, 17, we're gonna say PP. My kid, whenever I say PP, that means she wants pizza and Panda Express for dinner.
Pizza and Panda?
Yeah, I don't know. She'll be like, I want PP for dinner. Okay. Or she'll take just one P, and I'm like, which one? 63 is gonna be 1 and 63. I know, she's weird. Does 2 go in? No? Do we have this one listed somewhere else? Okay.
It's 36.
Yeah. 2, you said no. 3, does 3 go in?
21.
3, 21. 4,
No.
no. 5,
No.
no. 6,
No.
no. 7,
Yeah.
7.
No.
Okay, so then that's gonna be it, because 8 and 8 don't work. Okay, I need something to give me a 2. Something to give me a 2. 7, 9. I need a negative 2. Negative 9, positive 7. Good. Okay, 19. I got N and N, and 5 is just literally 1 and 5. So we know it's going to have to be 1, 5. Okay, how can I get a negative 4?
Oh, negative 1 plus 5. Wait, no, flip that.
Yeah, negative 5 and a positive 1. Okay, 21. Gonna be N and N. And then we got 18 is gonna be 1, 18,
2, 9.
2, 9. Maybe 3, 6.
3, 5.
3, 6, yeah.
Okay.
Wait,
4, 5 don't work. Okay. I need something to give me a 3.
36.
3, 6. And I need a negative 3. Negative 6 and a positive 3. Good. 32, I feel like we did do somewhere. Did we?
Yeah.
Okay, read it to me.
1 and 32.
Okay.
2 and 16. 4 and
Okay, thank you. Okay, I need something to give me a negative 4. How can I get a negative 4?
Negative 8.
4 and
Oh, well, yeah, it's gonna be 4 and 8, yep. And then a minus 8 plus 4. Okay, you guys got 12 to do on your own. Go through and get your 12 done.